drone pool here. Okay, so this is my Tyro 79. So if you watched my last video, you know I had a few issues getting it put together. The VTX that came with it was no good. It's just junk. It wouldn't work. Well, everything's supposed to be plug and play, and my receiver, when you plug it into the port, the connection was very bad. It was coming in and out. So I actually had to solder my receiver to the board to get decent signal. So that's working. Went in beta flight, set up the switches, the modes, all that. All the motors are spinning evenly. So I thought I was done. I went out last night to do a quick hover test after work, and I couldn't get it to fly. I'd arm it, the motors would spin for a second, and then it just stopped. I'd disarm, arm again, motor spin for a second, stop, give it throttle, nothing. So I shut down the transmitter, unplugged the battery, plugged everything back in, booted it up, flipped the arm switch. They spun for a second and stopped. I could not get it to fly. And then it dawned on me, there was one thing I forgot to do. And I forgot to do this in the past on other quads. You'd think I learned by now, but I didn't. The one thing I forgot to do was make sure all the motors were spinning in the right direction. And I had two motors that were wrong. All four motors were spinning clockwise. All four. So motor 2 and motor 3 had to be reversed. So I just got done in BL Heli. I reversed the motors, and I hope that fixes the problem. Well, the time I'm making this video, it's the next morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 28 degrees outside with the breeze. But they're calling for rain to come in this afternoon, and it's going to rain all weekend. So if I don't go out now and see if this is fixed, I won't know till later. But I want to know now if this is fixed or not. So I'm going to go outside before I go to work. Just go up in the driveway and see if I can get it to hover. I hope reversing those two motors was the only issue I had. Because if it doesn't fly yet, then there's another issue I have to figure out. So I'm hoping that fixed it. So I'm not sure. So let's go outside to the driveway and let's see what happens. Alright, wish me luck. Okay, drone pool here. I have the Tyro 79. I'm gonna try and do the maiden hover test. I have it set up beta flight. I think I have everything ready to go. Hopefully this thing will fly, but this is just a test. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning and 30 degrees out, so I just want to do a quick test for right now. See if it'll fly. All right, let's see what happens. She's flying. Don't seem too bad, really. It's a little breezy this morning. Seems to do okay. Sounds good. Got some punch. Whoa. This is on 3S too. and punch it again. Tyro 79. Whoa. I think I'm gonna like it if it performs well. Alright, bring her in. Well, with the initial hover test, I'm pretty happy. Yeah. I think I like it so far. It's got power, it's got punch, it seems stable. So yeah, I mean, the hassle that I went through to get it to where it's at, you know, it don't do too bad for right now. So I'm happy. Alright, so next step is to do the main FPV flight, so I'll do that as soon as I can. Alright, this is Drone Pool signing out.